Captivated by an unusual midday event, a flash of glee and amazement colors the faces of the children of Purok Aguila in Negros Occidental.
Gina-symbol natin ang stage. Dugay-dugay mo tamanay na nila sa backdrop of lights.
The excitement is not caused by a new TV show or cartoons, but by lively puppets animated by the youth-oriented Animo Puppet Theater Group.
Sila ang mga tinuga, sa kalasangan sila ang aton abyan, kabuhi nila aton amligan.
Tulari, alungan mo gid ang lawas mo ha. Ikaw lang gid ba lang makasuporta sa imong asawa, samtang nagalumlum siya.
While suspense and drama surround the lead puppets and their animal friends, the stories are not just ordinary adventures into the wild.
Ang laman ng show ay parating sa mga kabataan na huwag nilang abusuin yung likas na yaman.
Biboy! Ano na siya nga sapat to?
Ng mga usa nga may pintok-pintok sa lawas.
Spotted deer gali ina? Kabalo ka nga, ang spotted deer, dili lang ko na makita sa Pilipinas.
Translating awareness into action has been central to the Animo Puppet Theater Group since its formation in the year 2000. In light of the growing need to educate the youth about serious issues grappling the environment, the use of puppet theater was proposed.
We started this project as a project activity in the year 2000. And the idea was to bring a new medium, a new tool that is a puppet theater.
Nag-invite si Christina sa consultation meeting. Tapos naka-attend ko to. Nag-istorya si Christina sa project sang puppet nga gamiton para sa education program. Bilang background ko, bilang cultural worker man sang una, na namian ko sang ideya. Ambal ko kay Christina, nga pwede ko mag-provide volunteers kung may puppet show. Mike, okay na? Ayos na? Okay na?
Out of this one workshop, the Animo Puppet Theater Group was born, composed solely of youth volunteers.
Ang mga kabataan sa community nga dahil ginaistaran ko, mga barkada, mga amigos ang ako ng kabataan, sila ang unang set sa mga volunteers.
Ranging from 12 to 24 years of age, youth volunteers present troubling issues on the environment as they give life to the puppets they play.
Ang gusto naming iparating sa kanila na yung mga punong kahoy, ito ay makakatulong para makaprevent sa pagbaha.
With the great responsibility of delivering the message to their equally young audience, it was a challenge to simplify complex terms into colorful themes of respect and love for nature.
Pagkatapos ng show, may discussion kami. Namangkot ko sa ila, o ano ang inyong intindihan sa show.
Ang alam ko na ito sa ginang tao ko na dapat din dito lamang pangutot sa mga puno ay amo na ang makabulig sa ato.
Ang kabataan siyempre mabalakpak. Ang mga nanay araman kay nasadyahan man sila. Kay sadto ang mga naga-perform, mga kabataan sa mga nanay nga nag-star sa amon community. So daw involved sila katama, ay ila kabataan ga-perform. Ang mga nanay nga member namon sa community, sila man ang audience.
Hilig pang pakyot. Ikay.
The Animo Theater Group currently has 24 active members, joining the growing roster of past and present members. To ensure that the issues are understood by their young audience, all the plays are conceptualized and written by the youth volunteers themselves.
Conceptualization, gumagawa kami ng isang workshop We discuss about the problems in the environment. We agree on that issue. Anong gusto nating iparating sa mga audience, anong gusto nating ituro sa kanila. And then we integrate na dialogues and the proper script setting, and then yun na.
Aside from writing their own scripts, all of the sets and puppets used in the plays are handmade by the Animo members. Before taking on the 3 feet tall puppets, each member undergoes training on puppet manipulation.
Kada puppet, may mga volunteer na kapyot. So, may haraman da nga iya puppet, iya kwa. Kag iya man bantay, kag iya man mapagiyo.
While Animo plays cultivate the creative streak among the volunteers, it has significantly become a venue to develop critical thinking and leadership capabilities among them.
We see the transformation in the individuals. So we see what is going on in the 3 years with the volunteers that are participating in the group. So we really can see the changes. It is really very fascinating. It's very dynamic. They bring a lot of things from themselves. They are creating every day, and they are working very strong for the environmental awareness.
We nga mga volunteers, nakabalo na kami, kag nakatuon na kami sa mayo. So ang mga puppets, amo na silang gasilbi nga instrument para mag-deliver sa amon information nga alin sa mga volunteers nga idea.
Sino ngala na niya?
Naghimo na sila isa kasi parado nga daw grupo, nga daw identified na sila sa komunidad nga kuha na sila, mga member na sila sang puppet theater group. Ang ilaguro sense of belonging niya sa group daw nagbaskog na gidman. Ang buot na silingon nga ang Animo consciousness o conspirit nga nagatulod sa isa ka tao para magiho.
To ensure they can bring their environmental message out to the most number of people, the Animo Theater Group is designed to be completely portable. Their stage, sets, props, and puppets are all designed to be packed and fully mobile. With the help of a portable generator, even the most remote school or community which lack basic services such as electricity enjoy a few hours of education and entertainment. Combining lessons on conservation and environmental awareness with entertainment, it only takes one afternoon to impart the message onto young minds.
Ang kaharian sa kadagatan.
Maayong aga sa inyong tanan. Ang aton nga pulong-pulong nahanungod sa mga obligasyon nga ginhatag ko sa inyo sang nagligad lang nga simana.
Asking for minimal contribution from their venues to cover transportation and maintenance, the Animo Puppet Theater Group stages an estimated 54 shows a year.
Sa diri sa amon lugar, basura hindi mapagar.
Apart from staging plays, volunteers have organized workshops in basic puppetry as well as puppet theater production to interested groups. 2 new puppet theater groups have also been formed in Negros Occidental with the assistance of Animo coordinators to further spread their local environmental campaigns. The sense of fulfillment in knowing that they have put across the message is one which continues to nourish the passion of youth volunteers despite long hours of tiresome